Hey there, property managers and landlords. Are you tired of juggling endless spreadsheets, missing payments, or wasting hours on manual calculations? What if I told you there's a better way? Today, I'm excited to introduce you to ViveBiz Property Manager, the Google Sheets-based tool that automates bookings, tracks expenses, and turns chaos into clarity. Let's dive in. When you click on the Get Your Copy button, you'll be redirected to this page. Next, click the Make a Copy button. This will create a copy of this tool in your Google Drive. Now, add the basic data and customize it as you please. Keep in mind that you can create as many copies of this file as you need for personal use, but you're not allowed to sell it to others. Let me guide you through preparing this tool for your use. First, let's look at the heart of ViveBiz Property Manager, your automated dashboard. Here, you'll see real-time metrics like total revenue, expenses, net profit, and occupancy rates. No more digging through spreadsheets. Everything updates automatically as you add data. Use the drop-down here to switch between daily, weekly, or monthly reports. And here's my favorite part, the upcoming bookings widget. It shows check-ins and check-outs for the next 7 days, so you're always prepared. Let's add your first property. Head to the Properties sheet. Enter basic details like name, type, and address. Notice the property ID? For the basic tool, you need to enter new ID manually, but in the advanced customized tool, this property ID will generate it automatically. Use drop-downs for property type, status, and amenities. Need to track nightly rates or security deposits. Just fill these columns. All this data feeds into your dashboard automatically. Next, let's book a guest. Go to the Bookings sheet. Enter the guest's name, contact info, dates, and select property ID. Watch how the total nights and total amount auto-calculate using the property's nightly rate. Use this drop-down to mark bookings as paid, unpaid, or refunded. Overdue payments? They'll turn red on the dashboard. Additionally, you can select booking source, cancellation policy, ratings, and add notes if you want for future statistics or decision-making. Now, let's track expenses. Open the Expenses sheet. Select a property, add a date, and pick a category. Fill up all other necessary fields. Select payment method and status. See this due date column? If a payment is overdue, the dashboard flags it instantly. And guess what? Your net profit on the dashboard updates in real time as you add expenses. Same way, fill up all the necessary field, select property ID, source, and payment method in this revenue sheet, and net profit on the dashboard updates in real time as like the expenses. Once you have minimum data in all properties, bookings, expenses, and revenue sheet, you can see a proper dashboard like this one. You can see the dashboard display real-time revenue, expense, profit status along with property-wise financial performance, and most excitingly, this will show the upcoming bookings overview so you can be prepared.